and welcome to Station 2 of the lab. The name of this station is called Identification, Name That Fossil. So at this particular station, you're going to be examining 6 different fossils, and you're going to be classifying them according to their phylum. So there will be pictures of phylum cards that you will match the fossils to. So the first fossil is labeled fossil A, and fossil A is a coiled fossil. So you can see it starts in the middle, coils outward like so. The opening for the organism would have been right there. There are striations along the fossil right here. The back doesn't show as much definition. You can still see some striations, but it's not as detailed as this side. The second fossil is fossil B. Fossil B is kind of elongated. It has some scratches or striations that run from along the length of it. There's some segmentation or growth patterns that are on the side that kind of run this way on the fossil. The fossil appears to be flattened. I mean, there are striations all around it, but it does appear to be flattened, probably was crushed during the fossilization process. This particular sample had been broken, and I glued it back together. You can probably see some of the glossiness of the glue residue there. Here you can definitely see where it was broken. All right, fossil C might not be as distinctive as to what it is, because this is several different organisms that are kind of glued or stuck together. There's one here. There's one here. You can see there's some striation patterns that run this direction. So, so far all of the fossils that I've showed you are casts. This part is a cast, this part is a cast, but there's also some molds or indentations. That's a mold, that's a mold. So there would have been other organisms there and there, I'm assuming of the same type. Fossil D. Fossil D is this organism. The fossil is kind of folded. So either this animal curls up when it dies, or it was folded during the fossilization process. This is the bottom end of it. It has like 3 sections there. This is the top of it, or the head, and there are eyes there, and there would have been one on this side too, but it looks like it's been broken off. So again, this is D. E looks like this. This is another cast, and you can see there's some indentations here and here, 4 of them along the top. This one too, you can probably count as a 5th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's kind of folded over more, so this might have been damaged a little bit, or maybe that's the way the organism formed. The bottom does not have as much definition as the top. And then the last one, fossil F, is an organism that has 2 halves. This is where the 2 halves are together, and you can see there's striations on it or ridges, and then the 2 halves are attached there. And this also is a cast. All right, those are the 6 fossils, and you'll be matching them to phylum cards. You're going to match them to a phylum card. Good luck.